Let us continue with one more concept, that is acidity of alcohols or comparison of acidic strength of primary, secondary and tertiary alcohols. Here I have written the structures of primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. So we know that when it comes to primary alcohol, one hydrogen is replaced by one alkyl group, hence it is called as primary alcohol. This is secondary alcohol because two hydrogens has been replaced by two alkyl groups, hence it is a secondary alcohol. This is a tertiary alcohol because three hydrogens has been replaced by three alkyl groups. So when we study the acidity of alcohols, the acidic character of alcohols is majorly due to the polar nature of OH bond. So when we study the comparison of acidity of these alcohols, here we can understand that a primary alcohol consists of one alkyl group, where we know that all alkyl groups are electron donating in its nature. So when we check this particular alkyl group, here there is one alkyl group which is donating one set of electron towards carbon. Here there are two alkyl groups which are donating two sets of lone pair of electron towards carbon. Here there are three alkyl groups which are donating three sets of lone pair of electron to the carbon. When we notice the carbon OH bond length, in primary alcohol is shorter, whereas in secondary alcohol the carbon OH bond length is a bit bigger as compared to carbon OH bond in primary alcohol. When I go through with tertiary alcohol, in tertiary alcohol the carbon OH bond is maximum. So here all alkyl groups, as we know that all alkyl groups are electron donating in its nature, the presence of alkyl groups. So the presence of these alkyl groups in alcohol makes OH bond less polar due to an effect called as plus I effect, which is also known as positive inductive effect, because these alkyl groups can donate electron towards carbon. The presence of these alkyl groups decreases the acidic strength. The presence of these alkyl groups decreases the acidic strength of alcohols. Hence, here there are more number of alkyl groups. When the alkyl groups are more number, the acidic strength is what? Minimum. When the alkyl groups are less in number, the acidic strength is what? Maximum. Hence, by this, we can clearly understand that the acidic strength in alcohols decreases from primary alcohol to tertiary alcohol. It means that the acidic strength in alcohols decreases from primary alcohol to tertiary alcohols, which means that in primary alcohol the acidic strength is maximum, whereas in tertiary alcohol the acidic strength is minimum. So by knowing these acidic strengths, we can also analyze the basic strength of these alcohols. When it come to basic nature or basic strength of alkoxides, when we study the basic strength of alkoxides of these alcohols, here we know that the tertiary alcohol is less acidic in its nature. When the tertiary alcohol is less acidic in its nature, its basic character will be maximum. By this, I can clearly tell that the tertiary alkoxide ion is more basic than the secondary alkoxide ion. So this is the secondary alkoxide ion, and the secondary alkoxide ion is more basic than the primary alkoxide ion. So this is the primary alkoxide ion. So by this we can understand that if the acidic nature is minimum, here the acidic nature is minimum in tertiary alcohol. If the acidic nature is minimum in tertiary alcohol, then its basic nature should be maximum. Hence, here the tertiary alkoxide ion exhibits more basic nature as compared to the secondary alkoxide ion and as compared to the primary alkoxide ion. And here the basic strength goes on decreases in this particular direction. So, based upon all this, we can clearly understand that when we compare the acidity of alcohols, primary alcohols are more acidic in its nature because of less number of alkyl groups present which are electron donating, whereas tertiary alcohols are least acidic in nature due to maximum number of electron donating group, which reduces or decreases the polarity of an OH bond. So by this we can clearly understand that tertiary alcohols are least acidic in its nature and primary alcohols are more acidic in its nature. Since tertiary alcohols are least acidic, its basic nature is stronger as compared to that of an secondary as well as primary alkoxide ions. So, after analyzing this concept with reference to acidity of alcohols, now let us analyze the presence of strong acids. Alcohols acts as an Bronsted basis. So, how to understand this? So, when it comes to alcohol, when alcohol is made to react with an acid, here alcohols accept a proton. So how to explain this? So let us write a general reaction. This is an alcohol. This alcohol is made to react with an acid. Let us consider it as an sulfuric acid. We know that this sulfuric acid ionizes to form H plus as well as HSO4 minus ion. Here there is two sets of lone pair of electrons on oxygen, where one set of lone pair can accept a proton. By this, I can rewrite it as what? This I can write it as a protonated alcohol. This is called as protonated alcohol. Along with this protonated alcohol, I can write the existence of an bisulfate ion. So this is a very strong acid. So in the presence of a strong acid, alcohol is accepting what? It is accepting a proton. Hence, these alcohols are considered as Bronsted bases. So, they are called as Bronsted bases because they can accept a proton in the presence of strong acids. So, based upon this reason, I can call alcohols as an Bronsted bases. Now, let us compare the Ka values with reference to phenols as well as with reference to alcohols. So, when we discuss the Ka and pKa values of alcohols, Ka and pKa values of alcohols as well as phenols. So, when we consider a phenol, so let us write the Ka values at one end and pKa values at the other end. The Ka value for an phenol ranges to 10 to the power of minus 8 to 10 to the power of minus 10, whereas the pKa value raises from 8 to 10. So when it comes to alcohols, these alcohols has a Ka value of 10 to the power of minus 16 to 10 to the power of minus 18, and the pKa value of these alcohols ranges from 16 to 18. So by this we can clearly understand that the phenols are regarded as an stronger acids as compared to that of an alcohols, because the acidic nature with reference to phenol will be more as compared to that of an alcohol because of its resonance stabilization structures. So further we can discuss the comparison of acidity with reference to phenol as well as with reference to alcohol.